mag-jogging kami.
Mag-jogging tapos na.
Mag-jogging kami guys. Pero papahinga. Charot, ano kaya gano? Charot lang guys. Ayaw namin magsinungaling. Actually, nag-jogging na kami pero hindi kami nakapag-intro kasi hindi namin inakala na mag-vlog kami ba. Pero gusto namin.
Made with Burawin.
Gusto namin i-share ito sa inyo guys.
May
Dagami na ngayon.
So guys, ayun lang.
Kakain muna kami.
Kakain muna kami.
Bye-bye!
Kakain lang. Bilisan na itong clip.
One eternity later.
You're like a blessing. Oh, I wasn't waiting for you, wasn't waiting for you. Yeah, I was just wasting.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Wow!
Jogging kami ngayon.
Mag-jogging kami.
Camera guard.
Oras is 5:41. Oh, 5:10. 5:10 pala.
Simula kami at 4.
Simula kami for ano?
Ako, nagsimula ako. Mahalin ka.
Guys, pupunta kami ngayon sa Kosovo. Shout out sa akin.
Hi guys, sayin ka.
Jogging kami guys. Maghintay kami sunset. Sunset?
Oh, sunrise!
Masabi ko lang guys, ang cute-cute ko.
Ay, mas cute ako.
Kuya, maurang bike! Maurang bike! Kuya, maurang bike! Maurang na good bike, naka blue. Maurang na good bike. Go, kuya, maurang bike. Kuya, maurang. Kuya, maurang bike.
Wala mo silang makaiyak. So guys, meron kaming consequences sa kanila. Kasi, ano to? Yung huli na magigising, yung huli na, sa amin pala, kasi ko yung nahuli gumising. Kaming dalawa, nahuli kaming gumising. So yung huling magigising is, bibigyan ng consequences. So ito yung consequences namin. Ikaw muna magbibigay sa kanyang consequences.
Sasayaw sa gitna ng kasama.
Kaya mo yan sabi. Ikaw, Ray, anong consequences sa akin? Tatanong mo.
Tatalong ka dyan hanggang doon.
Pakita mo nga kay
Doon. Dito.
Wow! Guys, kaya namin to. Kita mo ang kalimutan siya eh. Ito pa kaya? Simula tayo. 3, 2, 1, go!
You're like a blessing. Oh, I wasn't waiting for you, wasn't wasn't waiting for you. Yeah, I was just wasting all my time living without you.
Good job.
My time living without you, time living without you. Yeah, like a rocket on a planet. That's how I feel. You're so gorgeous, and you know it. You can't be real. You make my day, baby. Keep loving, keep loving me just like you do it, like you do it, like you hit don't live, so we keep growing just like we do it, like you do it, like you.
Ano masasabi nyo guys? Worth it ba maghantay?
Yes.
Wow, pero siya hindi kayo marunong maghantay sa kanya. Wow!
Kala ko ikaw yan.
Guys, worth it yung pag-jogging ngayon.
Like you sure, baby.
Ah, nice! Next to guys.
Feel something amazing, and there's gonna be some more. We should be both there. Don't really understand the feeling that we have. There's gonna be some bad.
Wait, thumbnail. Sige.
We both there.
Sige, tawa.
Don't really understand this where we
Bisan lang masirok. 1, 2,
me just like you do it, like you do it, like you hit don't live, so we keep growing just like we do it.
Yeah. Say hi to our vlog.
Hi vlog! Siya yan ay.
Hello. Say hi, kuya.
Bye-bye! Wow! Lako ka din ako yung pahingin. Wala!
Oh, I wasn't waiting for you, wasn't waiting for you. Yeah, I was just wasting all my time living without you, time living without you. Yeah, like a rocket on a planet.
Rose, nandito ako. Wala to time.
Guys, ayaw promoting the sunrise again and again. Ay, pupunta yung mga magjowa. Dito lang po sa Ginarona. Pumunta po kayo dito. As in, maganda. Ako. Pupunta sa Korea. At papunta rin sa puso mo. Ay. Okay po. Alarong prasta pagmamahalain. Ilabas na ka.
Bakit ikaw si Sisa?
Shoutout guys sa mga nagpapa-shoutout. Pa-shoutout na kayo.
Shoutout kay Jen Gonzalez.
Si Lane. Shoutout sa mga nagpapa-shoutout.
Yes.
Comment, shoutout po me down below.
Anong meron sa tubig?
Ang meron sa tubig.
Ginto. Parang yung pagmamahal ko, tubig. Subscriber. Ang ganda. Tingnan mo na